This is the OPPO Find X2 Neo I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and activate the parental or parent control function on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch settings, then enter the Google category. In here, make sure to remove and unlink all the accounts that you have there, and then add the Google account that you would like to use for child and that you would like to associate as the child's account for the parental control feature. It is also worth mentioning that obviously the child has doesn't need to know, or should I rather say does not need to know the password to the the account that you're going to use, since if they do, they will be able to easily bypass the parent control. So once you have removed all unnecessary accounts and added the one that you are going to use, tap on the parental controls option at the services on this device field. Get started, child or teen, next. Wait until the system will proceed with the following step, which will not take a while, but still. In here, choose the account of the child, then enter the credentials for the supervisor's account that is going to be used in order to, well, obviously supervise the child's activity. Then enter the password for it, which I'll do off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so now you can see what particular restrictions or, well, actions in general the parent / supervisor will be able to perform, what restrictions enforce and what's not. Set some time limits, just learn if that's your first time using this option. Then scroll the page down. You will not have as many devices as I do, so in your case the scroll will be much Then, in order to confirm the account linking process, enter the child's password once again, or the password to the child's account. Then you'll get the following dialog window, which you need to choose the allow option on. Then wait until the parent and child accounts will be linked. Then click on next. Here you can preemptively choose whether you would like for some apps to be unavailable, or vice versa, enable some of the apps. You will be able to do it later, so no worries if you're not ready to restrict apps just yet. Then you can choose which filters and age restrictions will be applied over here, which you will also be able to configure later. Then from here is the part that will need to use the parent's device from. So if it shows the device that you're actually going to use as the supervising smartphone, you can just tap on install family link, and as you can see in my case, the family link app download will automatically start. Once it finishes, you just gotta open the app. Here, click on next. Skip all this instructions you'll get while launching the app for the first time. Tap on get started, choose your child, in my case it's Hardy. And now below the devices, as it was previously, you will not have as many as I do. You'll be able to manage controls for things like mature content, so content restrictions and filters, be able to monitor your child's location, as well as app activity, screen time, and apps, and manage the apps as well, which includes limiting the time the child can use them, blocking them in general, and just generally monitor the child's activity across apps. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.